Stop wasting your money on home security systems that leave you vulnerable or drown you in subscription fees. It's 2026, and your peace of mind shouldn't be a premium luxury. I've spent weeks testing, analyzing, and even simulating break-ins to bring you the definitive guide to the best smart home security systems of 2026 for best overall. And trust me, the top pick isn't just a camera or a sensor, it's a complete fortress, a system so robust and user-friendly, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. We're talking about a powerhouse that combines affordability, expandability, and truly smart protection, giving you unparalleled peace of mind without breaking the bank. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This isn't a full system, but it's an undeniable workhorse for dedicated outdoor surveillance. Its incredible image quality, especially with HDR, means you won't miss a detail, day or night. Plus, the Google integration is seamless if you're already in that ecosystem, offering smart alerts for people, animals, and vehicles right on your phone. This is perfect for someone looking to add a robust, intelligent outdoor camera to an existing Google smart home setup, or for those who prioritize advanced object detection and crystal-clear footage for a specific area. However, its biggest drawback is its reliance on the cloud and a required Nest-aware subscription to unlock most of its truly smart features and retain video history. Without it, you're looking at very limited functionality, making it surprisingly expensive over time for just one camera. While the Nest Cam is a great specific camera, sometimes you need more than just eyes on your property. Sometimes, you need a full suite of intelligent defenses that can adapt to any threat. Moving up to number 4, we find the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. Think of this as the Nest Cam's more versatile, battery-powered cousin. What makes the Arlo Pro 4 stand out is its completely wireless design, making installation a breeze anywhere you need it, and that integrated spotlight that can deter intruders and provide color night vision. It boasts 2K HDR video, a wide 160-degree viewing angle, and excellent two-way audio. This camera is ideal for renters or homeowners who need flexible placement without worrying about wiring, or those who want a high-quality camera system that can be easily moved and expanded, especially if you value an active deterrent like a spotlight. Its main Achilles heel, much like Nest, is the subscription model. To get advanced features like activity zones, object detection, and crucial cloud storage beyond a basic 7-day history, you need an Arlo Secure plan. Without it, the camera's true potential is severely limited, turning a premium device into a fairly basic one. Both Arlo and Nest give you incredible vision, but what if you want to store that vision locally, without those monthly fees, and build out a system that feels more like yours? That brings us to number 3, the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is a breath of fresh air in a subscription-heavy world. The eufyCam 3 shines with its 4K resolution, solar charging panel on the cameras for near-endless battery life, and most importantly, local storage via the included Homebase 3. This means no monthly fees for video history or smart detection. Its Bionic Mind AI enhances facial recognition and reduces false alarms significantly. This is perfect for privacy-conscious users and budget-minded homeowners who absolutely hate subscriptions. If you want high-resolution footage, reliable AI, and the peace of mind of local storage, eufyCam 3 is a compelling choice that lets you own your security data. While the local storage is a massive plus, the Homebase 3, while powerful, can sometimes be a bottleneck for truly seamless integration with other smart home ecosystems beyond Eufy's own. And while the AI is impressive, it's still evolving and can occasionally misidentify very specific scenarios, though it's getting better with every update. Eufy nails the camera game and local storage, but what if you want a complete, professional-grade alarm system, but still want to install it yourself? No fuss? Our runner-up at number 2 is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. This is where we transition from individual cameras to comprehensive, user-friendly alarm systems. SimpliSafe excels in DIY installation that truly lives up to its name, reliable performance, and a range of sensors that cover every angle, from entry sensors to motion detectors and even environmental monitoring. Their optional professional monitoring is top-tier and incredibly responsive, without locking you into long contracts. The wireless design means extreme flexibility. This system is absolutely ideal for renters or homeowners who want professional-grade protection without the hassle of hardwiring or professional installation. If you value flexibility, a wide array of sensor types, and the option for affordable, no-contract professional monitoring, SimpliSafe is an outstanding choice. The biggest ding against SimpliSafe is its camera technology, which, while functional, often lags behind dedicated camera systems like Arlo or Eufy in terms of resolution, AI features, and picture quality. It's an alarm system first, and the cameras sometimes feel like an afterthought rather than an integrated, cutting-edge component. SimpliSafe is fantastic for its alarms and DIY nature, but to claim the title of Best Overall for 2026, a system needs to merge comprehensive protection, smart home integration, and undeniable value into one unbeatable package. It needs to be the whole damn security ecosystem. And the best overall smart home security system of 2026, hands down, is the Ring Alarm 14-piece system. This isn't just an alarm, it's a security ecosystem that integrates brilliantly, expands effortlessly, and offers incredible value. The 14-piece kit gives you everything you need for a medium to large home: a base station, keypad, contact sensors, motion detectors, range extender, and a siren, all incredibly easy to install. Its seamless integration with Ring cameras and smart lighting, along with Alexa, creates a truly connected defense. The optional Ring Protect Plus plan is shockingly affordable for what you get: 24/7 professional monitoring, cellular backup, and cloud storage for all your Ring cameras. It's comprehensive, reliable, and incredibly user-friendly. This system is for virtually everyone. If you're starting from scratch, upgrading an old system, or want a robust, expandable security solution that works seamlessly with an already established Ring or Amazon ecosystem, the Ring Alarm 14-piece is simply the best value for overall protection, integration, and peace of mind you can get. While Ring's ecosystem is vast, its privacy track record has faced scrutiny in the past, though they've made significant strides to address those concerns. Also, for power users, the depth of customization in some individual sensor settings isn't as granular as some more professional-grade systems, but for the vast majority of users, it hits the perfect sweet spot. There you have it, the definitive ranking for the best smart home security systems of 2026. Whichever system you choose, investing in your home security is investing in your peace of mind. And to make that investment even smarter, you need to get the best possible deal. So, do yourself a favor, check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now on all these systems. Don't wait for your security to become an afterthought. Protect what matters most, today. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more unbiased tech reviews.